Okay, I have an idea for another colander tie-dye. I'm just using a 1 pound container though instead of the colander again. I think this will work. So I'm going to do this as a symmetrical scrunch, and we'll see how well this works out. I'm going to go ahead and, I've already marked the center line. This is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes, spun out until it's just damp. So I'll go ahead and fold this along the line of symmetry. So I'll go ahead and scrunch this up. Now, I'm going to go ahead and start across the width of it, since this will be draping, and we'll see what I need to do to get it to work out. I'm probably going to take this last one off or pull it up higher. I don't know. I'll have to see, but I'm checking it as I go. I'm going to make this one tighter, so I'll go with a smaller rubber band on that one and go just a tad bit lower. And pull this one up a little to compress that some. Get another band across this just to pull this tag area in. I normally don't talk through why I'm putting the rubber bands, but in this case it might help. So, if for nothing else, for me to look back on it and go, oh, that's why I did that. Oh, it's going from the wrong side. There we go. Okay, I think I'm going to leave this one, but I'm going to take this one off when I get into the other room where I'm ready to set it up to dye. So let's go ahead and do the cardboard piece that goes over the top of this. Okay. Just made this up, sits right here, it'll hold the ice in place, and this will still drape down. So let's go ahead and get ready to dye. Alright, sorry about the background noise, it's the ice maker running. I've done a line around here, or circle around here, and that is what this fits over. I think the colors are going to be lemon yellow, bright green, deep orange, oxblood red, power berry, and those are all from Dharma. Kinda Crappy Black from Grateful Dyes, and the classic cerulean from Dye Spin or Fabric Dye Company. Depends. I think they're Dye Spin now. Alright, I know that's a lot of dyes to fit in this area, so we'll see what we can do about that. It is draping over. I did take off that bottom rubber band, and we should be good to go. So let's go ahead and start dyeing this. I'm going to cover this with soda ash, just because of how much ice is going to be used. Alright, I don't think I have enough ice mixed up or crushed up already, but I'm going to go ahead and start with it. I might add some more in a bit. Alright, make sure that's going to sit on there. Alright, I'll start with that. I'll add some more ice off camera. Nobody wants to see me just dropping ice on. And we'll let that sit and melt through and see what it looks like in 24 hours. Alright, let's go ahead and wash this out. Alright, let's take a look. And I'll go throw this in the wash. Alright, here's the front. Here's the back. Alright, so we have nice full saturation of the colors up here. This is all the part that's sitting on top. And then when we come down here, we have the loss of saturation because of all the extra water running down the sides. With this, it almost looks like you're walking down a pathway. It opens into an area nice and bright up here, and this is all foggy and misty, that kind of thing, which is kind of cool in and of itself. It almost looks like amethyst, almost kind of like amethyst crystals growing out of the ground or something down here. Overall, I think I want to fiddle with this a little bit more. I'd like to be able to keep greater saturation for the entire shirt. It didn't do this on the spiral where I had that. I think it was just the sheer volume of liquid that was melting down the sides. Maybe I shouldn't have put so much ice in. I don't know. We'll see. So what are your thoughts? I have an idea for a couple more designs doing it this way, simply because I think it has potential. But let me know down below what you think. And until next time, thanks for watching.